Hello everyone, so let's explore Kerala, the capital city of Kerala, region Thiruvananthapuram, Thiruvananthapuram. Explore together with me, and this is the raining time, so rain hits the Kerala. So let's see how it is the view in Kerala in rainy season. So even it's make also so beautiful city of Thiruvananthapuram because of the due to the heavy rainfall, and we can see how it is the rain continuously it is happening, but still it is looking so good and so unique as city of Kerala. And really I am also enjoying here in the heavy rainfall in Thiruvananthapuram, and I am going to explore in the rain. I just came out from my hotel, but I got some rain here in the way. So let's see, and in front of you can see how is the infrastructure of Kerala city Thiruvananthapuram. Along it the really it is a very greeny city also, because I found Kerala and the capital city of Thiruvananthapuram, and in all over Kerala district like Irvikulam, Kollam, Kottayam, Malapura, Lapura, Wayanad, Thrissur, Thrissur, Irki, and Kollam, Kottayam, all over district are so greeny. Because of the Western Ghat, Kerala is situated, and there is a part of Malabar region in Western Ghat, and Kochi, Kozhikode, Calicut, all our places are so greeny. So let's explore together with me the Thiruvananthapuram city, and we can see really it is a very greeny places, and I found so many coconut trees, mango trees, and many more trees here, which makes Kerala and Thiruvananthapuram as a greeny city. So sometimes the rain is not happening, and sometimes very means rain is happening very fastly, like we can say it's rains cat and like a dogs. So really, and how it is the Kerala, we can see the half view of city Thiruvananthapuram. It's really it is a very greeny, and I am crossing nearby the I am coming from the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center returning to the Thiruvananthapuram. So let's see how it is the way. This is crossing an even road, and this is the bus. We can see no one is there along with me inside the bus, and very less few public are there inside the bus, and we can see how is the like everything is so greeny place. So I am returning from Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and Museum to the city of Kerala, and this is a small canal which is going to confluence it Arabian Sea in next ahead. So I will also cross nearby the airport. So really we can see how it is the green place in Kerala. So definitely it's my memory in Kerala, and I will return with my good memory in Kerala. And I will also cross the Belli tourist village, that is also so popular village in Thiruvananthapuram, which is located popular for boating into the lake. So how is the infrastructure of the buildings, houses, we can see, and very well maintained city. And this is a one church in front of the road, so we can see, and in Kerala and in Thiruvananthapuram especially I found so many churches. Even Goa and Kerala both are the similar, because I found Goa and Kerala both are the similarities, and there are lots of similarities between Kerala and Goa I found. So look at this church. I am crossing nearby the church, which is located also Bank of Arabian Sea and Malabar region. So how it is we can observe, and we can see really it is a very greeny places. And I am also feeling you can see lots of coconut tree, and even coconut water, and coconut is also so easy to take here. And even we know that very well the meaning of Kerala is also known as the land of coconut, because in Kerala there are lots of coconut producer. It is one of the most popular, and even Kerala is also known as the God's own country, along with the land of coconut and full of the spices, because when Vasco da Gama came in Kerala at the port of Calicut in 1498, that time he also returned with full of spice. Because of Kerala is also known as the spice bowl of India, which is popular for black pepper, cardamom hills and cardamoms, and many more things they are producing also in Kerala. So we can see how it is the view of Kerala. Really it is a very greeny city, and I found so Thiruvananthapuram The name meaning of Tiruvananthapuram meaning the city of Ananta in Malayalam means we know that really Ananta means Padmanabha. Like Padmanabha Swami temple is so popular in Tiruvananthapuram, and even which is the richest temple of India, and it is the capital of Kerala, which has major tourist centers such as the Padmanabha Swami temple, the beaches of Kovalam and Varkala, and the black water of Puvar and Agasthamala. Agasthamala is also one of the so popular place here and mountain range. And Bikram Sarabhai Space Center and Museum means BSSC Museum. Bailey Lake Tourist Village, that is also so popular here. Already I explained about that. So I am also exploring all over the city of Tiruvananthapuram. Even I am also returning, already explained about that Bikram Sarabhai Space Center and Museum. I am returning. First I book online to go take permission inside the Bikram Sarabhai Space Center. Without token and pass we cannot go to visit the Bikram Sarabhai Space Center and Museum. So how it is we can see, really we can see how many, there are lots of coconut tree which makes as a green and also looking very nice and very unique. And I will cross just soon, I will reach nearby the airport in Tiruvananthapuram, which is also known as the first international airport of India, established in Tiruvananthapuram, as well as the first solar airport of India, that is run by the solar panel. So it is the first, and you can see the houses, architecture, infrastructure of the building just look like a very unique places. Really I don't have any explanation regarding the Tiruvananthapuram, and I am feeling so happy here. And already I also took and visit the Padmanabha Swami temple. And then I came from Goa. Before Tiruvananthapuram I was in Goa, Vasco da Gama and Panje. I explored so many places, and this is the church. And after here I will go to Kanyakumari, because Kanyakumari is only 2 to 3 hours journey from here. That is a southmost tip of India, that is India's last land in Kanyakumari, which is popular for Kumari temple, Swami Vivekananda rock memorial, Gandhi Mandapam, and so many places I will explore. So let's see. This is the airport boundary. We can see this is the boundary of airport international Kochi International Airport. How it is we can see, just I am crossing the airport. So even the weather we can see how it is the weather in Kerala and Tiruvananthapuram. So let's enjoy, and please like and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much from Naveen. Thank you, take care and bye. And please, it's my humble request, so please like and subscribe my channel once. Thanks again.